In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an appointment schedule created on Google Calendar. Whether you're tidying up your schedule or simply removing outdated appointments, this process is quick and easy, and I'll guide you through each step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to want to head over to your Google Calendar. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and navigating to calendar.google.com. Once there, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple calendars for different purposes. On the Google Calendar interface, you'll find your list of events laid out across a week or month view depending on your preference. Now locate the specific appointment schedule that you no longer need. Scroll through your calendar to find the appointment in question. If you're dealing with a busy schedule, it might help to use the search function. Just type in keywords related to your appointment to quickly locate it. Once you've found the appointment you wish to delete, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the appointment's details in a new window. Within this window, you'll notice various icons towards the top right corner. You'll want to find the icon that looks like a trash can. This iconic symbol represents the delete option, a universal visual cue across many applications for getting rid of unwanted items. Click on the trash can icon to initiate the deletion process. At this point, a confirmation dialog box will appear on your screen. This is Google's way of ensuring you don't accidentally delete important appointments without realizing it. Take a moment to review the appointment details in this dialog box, just to ensure you've selected the correct one. Once you're certain, look for the button labeled Delete. Clicking on this button will permanently remove the appointment from your calendar. If you've opted to receive any notifications for confirmations or deletions, those will pop up accordingly, confirming that the appointment schedule has been successfully erased from your timeline. And there you have it, a straightforward process to keep your Google Calendar clean and organized. Remember, having a clutter-free calendar makes managing your tasks more efficient and helps prevent any appointment overlaps or missed meetings. If you have other questions or need further assistance with Google Calendar, feel free to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your schedule with ease.